How does your company handle controller configuration and testing? Is the slow and demanding process of configuring and loading controllers with appropriate files causing a bottleneck in your controls engineering team? Or taking valuable time on the production floor? Are you experiencing units getting to the job sites with misconfigured controllers, or with quality issues resulting in costly rework and unhappy customers? If you're like most of the companies we have worked with, you too are experiencing engineering teams that are overwhelmed and the constant pressure to speed up the configuration process on the factory floor. Likewise, you are feeling the heat to ensure quality is at the highest level possible to avoid costly field rework and unhappy customers. At OEMCtrl, we understand the challenges that come with manufacturing customized solutions. That's why we designed and deployed our factory automation tools to increase your manufacturing throughput and reduce controller configuration errors. Our factory download tool integrates with your existing ordering system and is scripted to extract the unit details needed for configuring the controller. With that information, it can automatically select the correct programs, files, drivers, and parameter overrides from the database. On the factory floor, with the click of a button or scan of a barcode or RFID tag, you can save time and reduce errors when configuring the controller. The customizable interface guides the worker through a process that ends with the controller being configured to the specs of the order, and the creation of artifacts that allow the factory configuration to be replicated at any time in the factory or by a field technician. Another key tool offered by OEMCtrl for factory automation is Test Builder. Test Builder, as its name implies, is a tool that allows interim tests to be performed on the units as they make their way through the manufacturing process to ensure the units are built and operate without defects. Like the factory download tool, Test Builder provides a customizable user interface that directs the tester through the process of performing the required test. A test station typically consists of a computer and a controller, with inputs like temperature sensors, pressure sensors, or any other input device that might be needed for the test. Once a test is complete, key artifacts are created that are critical for the quality team. For example, a performance report is created that reflects the results of the tests performed. With OEMCtrl's factory automation tools, you can discover significant improvements throughout the engineering and manufacturing process. Reduce the burden on engineering, increase throughput, eliminate errors, and increase quality. Use our website contact form or call us to connect to one of our account managers to begin unlocking your potential today.